Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a Google account to your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to sync up an account, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And now you want to scroll down and select the security and privacy button. Go ahead and just scroll down where it says system and updates or device finders, just basically any of these options that say add a Google account, just go ahead and select it. And then at this point, you would select add Google account. And then you would sign into your Google account and you'd be able to sync it up to your phone. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.